So let's go to Jackie in Southend. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hiya. So, in 2020, I had to have a total hip replacement because basically I couldn't walk. There was no NHS because of COVID, so I paid £13,500 to have it done privately. 10 weeks later, it dislocated. I didn't know anything about this and just thought, oh, well, that's something that happens. And then 2 years after that, it dislocated for the second time. I had a follow-up appointment with the consultant who told me that the cup was faulty. So I then made a complaint to the private company that I'd gone through. And
can you explain what you mean when you say the cup was faulty?
Yeah, so when you have a total hip replacement, you've got a ball and a socket. So the ball goes into the socket.
Sorry, my question wasn't clear. I understand how hip replacement works. Are you talking about that there was a metal part that was faulty, or are you saying the surgeon repaired it negligently, carelessly?
No, they were both replaced. The ball and the socket were
was it the
both
part?
Replaced.
Was it the metal part that was faulty?
I think it's ceramic.
Ceramic.
Yeah, it was the part.
And in what way was it faulty?
It should have had a lip round the outside, which my one didn't have.
Well, that sounds like the surgeon should have spotted that. No?
Well, yeah, but he told me that it was faulty. He drew me a picture of what it should look like. He showed me the one that was on the X-ray. I said to him, well, it needs to be repaired. And he said it has to dislocate 3 times before you can have corrective surgery.
OK. So what's your question for me now, Jackie?
So my question is, I complained to the company and they said that because it was over a year, I'd got no comeback.
By the
basically.
Company, do you mean the manufacturer of the ceramic part, or do you
No,
mean
I mean
hospital that did the...
I'm not allowed to say who it was,
but the hospital.
The private hospital that did the surgery.
OK, I understand.
That it was over a year ago, so...
Yeah, all right. Thank you for not mentioning the name of the hospital.
No, I was told not to.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Can you... You said the operation was in 2020. Are you sure they said it was because it's a year ago, or might they have said 3 years ago? Because there's a normal time limit for this sort of claim of 3 years.
No, they said it was a year. It was over a year, yeah.
Okay. So if the consultant's right and the ceramic cup was the wrong design for your hip or badly designed, then you might well have a claim possibly too,
Yeah, but
Jackie.
he's denied it.
Oh, people do. That's what courts are for.
He told me.
Oh, interesting. OK. So this is what you do. The first potential claim is against the surgeon or the hospital if they fitted the wrong part or chose the wrong design. And the key question is whether the surgeon acted as a competent surgeon should. If no reasonable orthopaedic surgeon would have picked that part, that type of ceramic cup, it's clinical negligence. And that argument might be there. And what you're going to need is an expert orthopaedic report and your hospital records. And a clinical negligence solicitor can handle both of those things for you, normally on a no-win, no-fee basis. I'll come to a claim against the manufacturer in a second, but just so you know, normally you have to bring this sort of claim within 3 years of discovering something went wrong. So you discovered it went wrong when you went back and the consultant said to you, wrong part, or the part was faulty. And that was how long after the operation?
That was just under 3 years.
So that was 2023?
Yeah.
OK, so you've got a decent argument that your 3 years starts running from then. The dates are going to be crucial here because we're about to hit 2026.
Can I just stop you there?
Yeah.
Because he put it got put back in 23, but my follow-up appointment, because the way the NHS is at the moment, wasn't until a year later. So it wasn't until 24 that I was told that it was faulty.
So, right. So in 2024 you were told it was faulty, not 2023.
No, 2023 was when it dislocated.
Got it.
But
Okay.
24 was when I found out.
Right, so the 3 years starts running from when you found out, which means you do have a little bit longer, which is good.
Yeah.
So you need to get to a medical negligence firm of solicitors. You can find them on the internet.
Yeah.
And find one that does no win, no fee. They'll get hold of your medical records. They'll find out what part was used. And if the surgeon chose the wrong part, you've got a claim against the surgeon for the pain and suffering that you've been through that you shouldn't have been through if they'd used the right part. The other possibility, Jackie, is that the part itself was defective. So the surgeon didn't do anything wrong, but that particular cup was defective. And that's a product liability claim. Different law, same basic idea. If the ceramic cup didn't meet safety standards or lacked a proper lip that should have been there, then the manufacturer is on the hook. And I'm 99% sure, but not 100% sure, you have 6 years for that, not 3 years.
Right, okay.
But assume it's 3 years because I'm not 100% sure of that one.
Yeah, okay. Can I just say it's gone again?
Not just now, not while you're on the phone to me, I hope.
No.
Good.
No, 10 days before I should have gone on holiday.
Oh,
So,
where were you meant to go?
I was meant to go to Dominican Republic, which I couldn't do, and today I should be flying to Sri Lanka, which I still can't do.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jackie. Do you have insurance to cover those claims, to cover those losses?
Yeah, but because I was more concerned about an accident while I was away, I didn't look at the cancellation fee. And I've lost so much money because I wasn't insured to cancel the whole holiday.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But this happened twice.
This can all form part of your claim if the doctor was negligent.
I do hope so.
Yeah. All right. Get yourself down to a no-win, no-fee firm of medical negligence specialists.
Yeah.
You can find one on Google.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jackie. Good luck with it.